Understanding after hours in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase after hours and how you can use it in different contexts. Let's dive into the nuances of this interesting phrase and see how it can be applied in everyday conversation. After hours refers to the time period that follows the regular hours of operation, especially in a workplace or business context. For instance, if an office is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., then after hours would mean any time beyond 5 p.m. It's when the official business of the day has concluded. Apart from its literal sense, after hours can also have a more figurative application. It can imply activities that happen in a more relaxed, informal, or unofficial capacity. For example, if employees gather for a casual meetup after work, they might refer to it as an after-hours event, highlighting its informal nature. There are several common expressions that use after hours. One might say, the employees had an after-hours get-together, indicating a social event after the official workday. Or, she prefers to work after hours, suggesting she works late or outside the typical schedule. In everyday speech, after hours can also blend into idiomatic expressions. For instance, the gym is open after hours for members only, conveys exclusivity and privacy. It's important to understand the context to grasp the full meaning when this phrase is used idiomatically. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, after hours. We hope you've gained a clear understanding of how to use this phrase both literally and figuratively. Remember, language is not just about words but the context in which they are used. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.